Hi, I'm Erin with Erin's Faces, and if you want a really natural contour that looks and feels like your skin, using our Radiant Firming Concealer is the way to get it done. So here we go. This is how I do it. I'm going to take Cedar, which is the fourth color in our Radiant Firming Concealer lineup. You could also use Sequoia if you are a deeper skin tone than super duper white. But all you're going to do, you could contour the heck out of your face, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go super easy, not crazy. So I'm just going to get a little bit of it off on here. Then I'm just going to take this. Basically, you want to go where the top of your ear is, and you'll feel this bone. And that's what we're going to carve out, but we're just going to pull it there. I don't know if you can even see it. Yeah? See? Let's move this business. Top of the ear. Find that bone. You're coming here. You're not going here in between your teeth. You're going where that bone is. Okay? And you're going to go in a little hammocky, half moony shape. Okay? Now, if you are going to be speaking somewhere and you're feeling conscious of your chin, you can come here and do this. See that? And you can also go down if you want to. All right? You can also start doing your nose and you can do the whole nine. But if we're talking very basic, this is what I would do, like if I was speaking somewhere and I'd eaten a lot of macaroni and cheese maybe that weekend. I was feeling a little aware of it. So all you're going to do is take your foundation brush and then just buff this in circles. If you remember, if we do circles with our foundation brush, we are getting a more diffused effect as opposed to a specific effect. And that's what we want for this, because we want it to just look like your skin. So circles, and this looks so natural. I can't even tell you. It doesn't look like I have makeup on. It just looks like I have really good skin. So then I'm just going to come here. See how that just kind of doesn't look like I'm a marionette doll. Marionette? That's not it. The ventriloquist doll. That's what I meant. Okay? So if you want more, you can add more. You can go crazy with contouring. But if you just want to do one thing, just go here, here, Sydney. All right? You can do it. Again, I use Cedar. You could use Sequoia, but makes it super easy, feels good, skin nourishing, conditioning ingredients that are lifting, firming, happy, hydrating. Okay? You can do it.